Okay, so here it is, the aftermath. Got some nice icicles coming off the side of the house here. Woke up this morning, it was about -7 degrees. Here's some of the drifts that ended up being on the porch. Lots of snow. We got about 12 and a half inches here. There's another big pile there that I had to shovel off the driveway. You can hear the snow squeaking because it's so dry and cold here. And here are the paths that I had to build for Nell Dog so she can use the bathroom. Because if I wouldn't dig the paths, the snow is actually up past her shoulders right now.